2, 1.
Welcome to Tech Turf, where dreams and ideas become reality.
Welcome to Tech Turf YouTube channel. Now you are entering into Tech World. The MARK-1 rocket is a revolutionary project designed to assess atmospheric conditions, analyzing gases and air quality. With a 50 centimeters length and 1 kilogram weight, it uses high-thrust solid fuel and advanced materials like aircraft-grade aluminum. Powered by the Tech Turf guidance system, it integrates GPS, sensors, and AI for autonomous navigation. Capable of reaching 10 kilometers altitude, it supports weather monitoring, aerospace research, and reusability. The MARK-1 represents innovation, accessibility, and the future of cost-effective high-tech rocketry.